Shiba Inu fraud on a huge scale was just found. Shiba Inu wants to see a huge price increase when the markets get better, because the next bull run could happen at the same time as the start of a number of projects that will try to boost the prices of the assets. There have been rumors that the price will rise to $0.01. Several sources have looked into how likely it is that the assets will reach this price. We're going to talk about a huge Shiba Inu scam that was just found in this video. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. A well-known fintech comparison site, Finder, polled up to 55 fintech experts and industry leaders last year to find out how they thought the price of Shiba Inus would change in the future. According to a recent report by CryptoBasic, the group said that the asset will hit $0.04,930 by 2025. About half of the panelists said they weren't sure what effect Shibarium might have on SHIB's price, while the other quarter said they thought Shibarium would cause the price of Shiba Inus to go up. It is worth noting that Alexander Kupsikovich, a senior financial analyst at FX Pro and member of the group, said that SHIB will reach $0.01 by 2025. Changely, on the other hand, a non-custodial cryptocurrency exchange, is less optimistic about Shiba Inu. Changely forecast in one of its in-depth analyses that SHIB will only be able to reach a high point of $0.2694 by 2025. Changely thinks that the value of the asset will only reach $0.17 in 2030. Also giving its view was Telegon, a well-known data site that focuses on stocks and cryptocurrencies. Telegon made a number of predictions about SHIB prices from 2023 to 2050 in a study released last Monday. The study said that the asset would cost no more than $0.316 at its highest point this year, and no more than $0.239 on average. Telegon also said that the price of Shiba Inu could rise to as much as $0.712 by 2030 and $0.89 in 2040. The data tool thinks it will take another 27 years for the price of the asset to reach $1, which most buyers might think is a long time. In contrast, it set a price estimate of $9.69 for SHIB in a study in 2022. Even though all of these platforms have made price predictions, you shouldn't take them as financial help, because crypto assets can go in a lot of different directions. Still, the Shiba Inu group has continued to push for a number of changes that will help the price of the asset. The growth of Shibarium, SHIBASWAP 2.0, and SHIB the Metaverse can greatly increase the value of the asset by increasing demand, making it more useful and speeding up the burn rate. This is true no matter where the price of Shibarium goes in the future. The price of SHIB is $0.847 right now, down 2.08% in the last 24 hours. It was clear that SHIB was going down when its MA50 fell below its MA200, which was its first death cross of 2023. It was last seen in February 2022, when the price of SHIB dropped sharply and ended the year at $0.788. Digital assets, like SHIB, have been overdone because of the current market slump. This will cause its first death cross in 2023. The death cross is a lagging sign, which means it shows how things did in the past rather than predicting what will happen in the future. So be careful while thinking about how it will affect things in the future. SHIB, on the other hand, is now overdone, which means it might bottom out. Nevertheless, it is important to actively follow its movement from now on in order to learn more and find other investments to make. And end coin, while SHIB takes some time to heal and come back. On Friday, Twitter user Spot on Chain told people about the awakening giant and said that they were early adopters of Shiba Inu. In April 2021, when the wallet address in question was first made, the price of SHIB was less than $0.02 USD. Since then, selling SHIB is thought to have made the recently active wallet address more than $0 USD. Most of those gains came from when the token's value went up in October 2021. What's more, the joke coin's value has dropped more than 75% since its peak. In October 2021, Shiba Inu was worth almost 0.00007 USD. Now it's only worth 0.000000857 USD. Even though the price of cryptocurrencies rose by as much as 7% earlier this week, the fact that one whale decided to move their assets from cold storage to a cryptocurrency exchange suggests that they may be getting ready to sell. At the present price of the asset, data from the on-chain data intelligence source into the block shows that up to 81% of Shiba Inu buyers are likely to lose money on their purchases. Netherskin data shows that Shib has about 1.3 million holders at the moment. This means that 1,053,000 addresses are lost. Also, looking into the block shows that only 16% of users, or more than 200,000 addresses, are making money. Also, around 39,000 addresses are at the point where they start to lose money. This means that these people aren't making or losing money on their investments. This negative situation is caused by the current market-wide bloodbath that has pushed SHIB below the $0.01 level. Intidablock says that most Shiba Inu users bought their tokens when the value of the asset was selling between $0.09 and $0.26. SHIB is worth $0.852 right now, which is 1.96% less than it was a week ago. Recently, joke coins have been the most popular in the cryptocurrency market, but it can be hard to keep up with all the new versions and make sure you buy the right one. Shiba Inu is still a popular joke coin among investors, and its history in the crypto market goes back a long way. Shiba Inu's growth stopped short of going past its all-time high of $0.0845 during last year's crypto winter. Recent news, on the other hand, says that Shiba Inu reported nearly $100 million in trade traffic. Shiba Inu has been a famous coin player for a while now. Its history of making money for buyers during both bull and bear markets shows how strong it is. Shiba's burn rate and its decentralized network, Shibarium, have made investors think about this joke coin again after it seemed hopeful at first. Also, close to $100 million worth of Shiba Inu is traded every 24 hours, which keeps crypto buyers excited. Shiba Inu's huge trade rate shows that prices will go up in the future. Top crypto experts are still guessing about how much Shiba Inu will be worth in the future. It will be a long time before it hits $1, but buyers aren't sitting around waiting for Shiba Inu to make them money. Even though Shiba Inu got all the attention in the crypto world, there's a new dog on the block that's going to beat Shiba Inu hands down. This game-changing GameFi token is making buyers crazy because they are looking for the next big chance to make a lot of money. Shiba Inu is a project that aims to create an Ethereum-based version of Dogecoin, which is a well-known meme coin. Unlike flash and airy cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which make tokens scarce, SHIB has a total number of 1 quadrillion, which is on purpose. Even though the token went up by more than 100% at the beginning of the year, this meme coin hasn't been able to keep up with that growth and has lost more than 25% of the returns it gave at the start of the year. The popular meme coin SHIB has gotten a lot of attention and made short-term gains thanks to talk and tweets from famous people. However, investors aren't sure about its long-term chances because it doesn't have many real-world uses or benefits. Without a strong investment case based on real-world uses, SHIB is still open to market changes and price swings that can't be sustained. It's interesting to see that people in the crypto space are still talking about SHIB. This was clear from the fact that it had a pretty high social volume. But most of the things that were said about Shiba Inus seemed to be negative. SHIB's weighted feelings dropped sharply, which suggests that most people in the market felt bad about the joke coin. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.